Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well and staying safe. Today I wanted to do a 60s inspired look. Now I know I did a 60s look a little while ago. I'll link it up above if you haven't seen it. That one was more of a colorful look, but this time I wanted to do like a more neutral 60s kind of look. I also wasn't very happy with how that look turned out, so I wanted to give it another go. So let's get started. And so I did one eye off camera just to make this tutorial go along a little bit faster. So I'm using the Colourpop Going Coconuts palette. So first I took the shade Culotta and I took it on a Morphe B79 brush and I just ran it through my crease. Next, I mixed between the shades Lovely Bunch and Shell Yeah, and I did that on a Morphe M573 brush, and I just ran it through my crease too. And next, I took the shade Get Crackin', and I took that on a Morphe M433 brush, and I placed it in my crease a little bit lower than where I put those first two colors. So next I'm going to take the shade Nutty on a BH Studio Pro number 11 brush. I'm going to use this as the color to define my crease. If you can see on this eye, there's that dark line defining the crease. That's what I'm going to do. And I'm basically going to follow the natural socket that's in my eye. So if you can see like right here, there's kind of like an indent. That's where my natural crease is. So I'm gonna put the shadow there. And it's okay if it like gets messy or anything because I'm gonna go back in and clean it up with concealer afterwards. And so next I'm going to clean up my eyelid, and I've just been taking some foundation for that. This is just some foundation in the lid, and this is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. It's just whatever's in the lid I'm taking, and I'm doing that with a Morphe M421 brush, and I'm pretty much just cleaning up everywhere, like up until the line, and I'm taking a little bit at a time and wiping some of the excess off on my hand. And so next for my lid, I'm actually going to go into a different palette. This one is from Maybelline. It's the City Mini palette, and this is in the Rooftop Bronzes shades. Today I'm going to take this light shade at the top. It's a really pretty light, like white champagne gold kind of color. I'm going to take it on a BH Studio Pro number 7 brush. It looks like this. I'm just going to put it on my eye where that concealer is. Okay, so this is where I'm going to leave the eyes for now. I'm going to come back to them later. I'm going to go off camera and clean up any eyeshadow that might be on my face, and then I'll be back to do my face makeup. I just primed my skin off camera, I use the Maybelline Master Prime Hydrate and Smooth. And now for foundation, I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Profilt'r Soft Matte Longwear Foundation in 120. Under my eyes, I'm going to put some concealer. I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in shade 5 Ivory. Next, I'm going to add some bronzer on my face. I'm going to use the Colourpop Coconut Beach Bronzer. And I'm going to use my e.l.f. Flawless face brush to apply it. For blush today, I'm going to apply the Lottie London Blush Crush, and this is in the shade Drake. Even though they didn't really have highlighter in the 60s, I still want to put them on. So I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution Highlighter Reloaded in Just My Type. The next thing I'm going to do is apply some eyeliner. Last time I did the 60 inspired look, I did a wing, but today I'm just going to do a line across my lash line. But I'm going to use the e.l.f. Expert Liquid Liner, and this is in the shade Jet Black. So I just did my eyebrows and mascara off camera. Everything I've used today will be listed over my Instagram, so make sure you're following me over there. It'll be linked in the down bar below. Next, for false lashes, I'm going to use the Kiss Lashes in the style Lacey. Now that my lashes are on, I'm going to finish up my lower lash line. So first, I'm going to take the NYX Always Keeping It Tight pencil in the shade Nude, and I'm going to run this along my bottom waterline. Next, I'm going to go back into the Going Coconuts palette, and I'm going to take the shade Nutty again. And I'm going to take it on the same BH Studio Pro number 11 brush, and I'm going to run it like right along my lower lash line. Next, I'm going to put mascara on my lower lashes. I'm going to use the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes mascara. From here, you could draw on those fake little bottom eyelashes, but personally, I don't really like the look of those on myself, so I'm just going to leave it like this. And for lips, you can pretty much do whatever color you want. Today, I'm going to do a pinky color. So first, I'm going to start off by lining them, and I'm going to use the NYX lip pencil in Nude Pink. Next, I'm going to use the MAC lipstick in the shade Blankety. Okay, everybody, so that was the finished look. I love how this came out. I'm so happy with it. It looks so much better than the last time. But if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure that you're subscribed. If there's anything else that you want to see from me, leave a comment down below. And I will see you all next time.